My name is Mariella Birkmeier. I'm the lead of customer experience. In my role, I'm responsible for the customer service, the whole experience from the product to the customer, and this also covers the order taking and the delivery to the customers. We are the first company in Germany to develop and to invent such a reusable box. Our green box is nothing that already exists in the market, so it's a completely new system which we invented together with our partners for the logistics from our product. The green box, the reusable box, is a tailor-made solution for the shipping of our products, the pharmaceutical shipping of our products to the customers and for our environment. If a green box gets damaged, then it gets regranulated and again brought back to the process, so that means nothing is lost. I'm really proud to be one of the pioneers within this project. We are the first in market as a research health company to develop such a system. It's not a given to see this drive and aspiration within the whole company. Certainly not in sustainability. We have, with our green box, 0 new cardboard waste. We have more than 50% reduction carbon, and we have more than 80% less water compared to our original packaging. With our reusable box, we have a huge and enormous saving potential. In addition, we are able to reduce our damage rate by 1/3 with the reusable box. We had already started changing our biodegradable packaging materials, so this was the natural next step for us in this process. Challenges of our times is to use resources sustainably. We, as a responsible One Health company, have set out on this path for people, for animals and our environment. Our customers can be assured that we will never forget our health is all connected.